Hello everyone, and welcome back to Happy Paws. Today, we are going to bring you a story of Puppy Meets Stray Kitten Adopts Him as His Own. Delfina Plaja received a dog named Taco for her birthday, but little did she know it'd lead to having another pet in her family someday. While potty training Taco outside one day, Delfina saw a stray kitten under a parked car. The two animals took interest in each other right away. It turned out the kitty had been living out of an open garage where a neighbor would feed him scraps. The dog and cat created a bond, and from that day forward, the tiny kitten was always outside to greet Taco whenever he'd come out for his walks. This led to Taco wanting to go out to see the kitty more and more. During a bad rainstorm one day, Delfina decided to bring the kitten inside for shelter. The way Taco and the kitty took to each other made it seem like they were meant to be together. So Delfina and her husband adopted the kitten and named him Tequila. Taco and Tequila are best friends and do everything together. And you can check out more of their adventures together on Instagram. Thank you for listening to the story. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos. See you in the next videos.